Hey there! Let's take a look at creating with Google Drawings. First, we'll need to access Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into Google, and if not, simply click the Sign In button and sign in using your g.capellisd.com account. Next, we'll access Google Drive by either clicking the Google waffle and choosing the Drive button or going to drive.google.com. Once in Google Drive, we're going to click New, choose More, and select Google Drawings. The first thing we're going to want to do is title our drawing. You can change the page size by going to File and Page Setup. I use the standard 4x3, but you can also change to a widescreen, or you can customize your drawing. Once you're done customizing your size, you're going to choose OK. Next, we'll change the background. On a Mac, 2-finger click, or on a PC, right-click. We'll choose background, and we can choose from a solid color or a gradient. If I want to put a picture as my background, I'll have to insert image and size it to make it fit my background. Once I have my background, I can begin adding items. I can easily add a text box by choosing the text box icon or going to Insert Text Box. You can make your text box as large or as small as you would like. Once my text box appears, I can change my font by choosing from the toolbar. As well as change the justification and where it lays in my text box. I can also move my text box around and make sure that it's centered using the grid lines that appear. Next, I'm going to add a shape. I'll choose the shape icon, or I can go to Insert and Shape. Then choose my shape from there. Once my shape is on my background, I can then change the color of the shape. I'll choose the paint bucket and choose a color that I would like. I can also change the border as well as the border weight. Again, I can change my font if I'm going to type inside the shape, as well as my font's justification and any other formatting features. Next, I'm going to insert an image. I'll choose from the image icon or simply go to Insert and choose Image. There are many different upload options. I can upload from my computer, search the web, upload from Drive, Photos, by a URL, or use my camera. I'm going to do Search the Web. When I use the Search the Web feature, I will be given images that Google has confirmed are licensed to use. This means that they're copyright-free images available for our use. Once I selected an image, I'll choose Insert. I can select multiple images as well. Now that I have my image, I can size it down and move it around to fit. I'll also be able to use those grid lines to make sure that it's center or that it appears in line with my other image. I can also use format options to recolor my image, to adjust my image, make it transparent, or choose to change the brightness and contrast, add a drop shadow, or have a reflection. Another option is just to replace the image. If I don't like the image, I can simply click Replace the Image and insert a new image. Another feature is using lines to connect objects in a Google drawing. This is great for making thinking maps. All I have to do is click the line. I can select from the type of line I want, and then I can simply connect my items. You'll notice that points appear to connect the items easily and in more of a clean format. Once done, I'll want to click back on my cursor so I'm not adding lines to the rest of my drawing. I can also change the weight of my drawing and the type of line if needed, as well as add points on both sides, or simply on just one side. Next, while on a picture or on text, if I want to insert a link, I can choose the link button and insert a link that will appear on that picture. Another way to do this is simply select Command K on your Mac and insert a link. I can also use the Arrange tool to arrange any photos or text boxes or shapes as I would like. There's also spelling tools if I need them, and any type of tools to help me with creating my Google drawing. On the Insert tab, you'll see that there are also items that we didn't insert, such as a table, a chart, a diagram, word art, and we did use the line. There's also special characters that can be used and a comment feature. You can choose here to make a comment or choose the comment tab. This is great for sharing with learners and providing them feedback or using peer feedback on drawings. Drawings is great for many things in the classroom. I can't wait to see what you and your learners create using Google Drawings.